This is what happens when you fall asleep at the wheel. This is a total loss. There you go. Look way on yonder there. See that thing in the ditch over there to the left? Look at this. Truck right up to the water. Abbotsford, BC. Look at this. Total fucking loss. Look at this. This is what happens when you can't cure dumb. Bill's Trucking Limited out of BC. This is Highway 44, Edmonton, Alberta. Close to Edmonton. It's about 2 hours away from Edmonton. But this truck is complete loss. The truck, load, everything gone. And you see the ditch over there? You fell asleep at the wheel. And this is what you get for putting people in a fucking automatic truck. And yeah, that doesn't work very well that way. Anyways, there you go. Have a nice day.